Welcome back to my channel. I'm kicking it back a little old school with this YouTube video. If you're clicking on here, you're obviously pretty interested on what's on my new phone. And if you're just a returning viewer being like, Alex, what are you doing? What's going on here? This was a trend when I started YouTube back in the day. Everybody would show what's on their phone when they got a new phone. So I've been doing this with every single new phone I've gotten over the past 10 years. So what's stopping me from doing it again? Nothing. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I make a lot of other videos, not just iPhone videos. I do a lot of everyday vlogs, lifestyle videos, fashion videos, a lot of videos where you just get to live life with me. I also have my Instagram, TikTok, and podcast link down below. So check that out when you're done watching this video, but let's get right into it. This is, apologies for the fingerprints on it, I maybe should have cleaned it before, but this is the iPhone 14 Pro. She looks like this. I got the black color. Right now I'm currently wearing a lens protector and screen protector. On the phone, I took the case off so you guys could see how the phone looks. But what I normally wear on my phone and what I'm gonna get into first are the cases. Currently, I'm using the case from Casetify. I'm also using this cute little charm on it. Here she is. All of my cases that I have are from Casetify. If you don't know what Casetify is the most popular tech accessory brand. They're known for their protective cases and global collaborations. This right here is the bounce case, the one that I'm using right now. It's definitely for someone who's a little bit more active on the go, might accidentally drop their phone 500 times. I bring my phone to the gym, I throw it around, I do a lot with it. They're powered by eShock TM impact absorption tech. They're 6 times the military standard and have been drop tested 156 times. They also have up to 21 feet of drop protection and are very trendy, customizable. They have over 2,000 different designs available over on their website. The other bounce case that I have is this one, which is just the basic classic look. I'm gonna do a quick drop test for you guys so you believe me. Dropping it from up here. Okay, made a loud noise. And she's good. I didn't even get scared. So these are the other cases that I have. They are the clear cases. This is definitely more of a minimalistic look. They have long-lasting clarity with UV Defender technology. Also, these clear cases are optimized to prevent yellowing over time. They're also the slimmest cases that Casetify has, but they do have comfy grips and very easy tactile buttons. They're also very strong and exceed the military standard with a drop test of 6.6 feet. So if you have a very tall boyfriend who's 6'6", if he drops it, you're good. I also have another accessory, which is this long silver chain. This is definitely more if like you're not carrying a purse and you want to latch this onto your phone case. What's cool about Casetify is they also have an artist program, which is where they work with artists globally and have a lot of cool creative cases made with them as well. So if you're in the market for some new phone cases, you just got a new phone, you want to buy somebody some phone cases for Christmas, then check out the link here, www.casetify.com/AlexAdams for 15% off. All right, this is my home screen. I like to keep the weather forecast, my battery on there. My background is really cute. It's from London. I took a picture in London. Personally, I prioritize these apps the most, so I keep them on my home screen. I have a little widget smith of the calendar, so I get to see the dates and such. Reminders, I literally use all the time. I have so many reminders. To-do lists, video ideas, podcast ideas, shopping list, IG reel ideas. What do I want to do today? Weekend brands. Yeah, so I got that. I also have some scheduled things. I use it a lot. Calendar, obviously, photos, notes, camera, settings, YouTube Studio, weather, App Store, clock, FaceTime, TD, Maps, Uber, and Lyft. Fun fact for you, my Uber account doesn't work. But moving on, at the bottom, my main apps are the phone app, email. Yes, I do check my emails. Some people I know have like 2,000 unopened emails. I can't live with like multiple notifications on my phone. I'm that type of person. Like I just can't. See, I have one unread text and that's already pissing me off, but I have to check it later, obviously. I, for some reason, wanted to have a widget smith up here, but I didn't really know what to put up there. So I have the time that the sun sets and the time that the sun rises. Today, the sun is setting at 4:40 p.m. Little depressing. I don't know why I needed the reminder, like, oh yeah, don't worry, the sun's gonna be gone in a matter of 3 hours. So now I have my socials. It's kind of organized in a weird way because Snapchat, Facebook, I don't really use. Snapchat is more of like, let me just Snapchat my friends that I don't live near. Facebook, I don't use. It's there for Facebook Marketplace. Pinterest, I love. If you guys want to see my Pinterest, Alex Adams, okay? Twitch, Twitter, and then Facebook Messenger, of course, to message the marketplace people. Now we have utilities. These are, I can't lie, apps that I never use. So we have iTunes, Calculator, Compass, Measure, Voice Memos, Find My iPhone. I didn't even know I had this. Translate and the Duo Mobile. Oh, I was looking for that app and I couldn't find it. Didn't remember what it was called. Now we have Health. Calm is a meditation app that I don't really use because I only have the free version and they have the shittiest meditations on there, so I'm better off just going on YouTube. Health app, Flow, my favorite app. How would I know when my period's coming? I would have no idea. Now this is what I used to edit, and honestly I don't do a lot of editing on my phone anymore. I do it on my computer. I have Visco, Huji, Facetune. You can obviously see the apps that I don't really use because they're on iCloud. I don't even know what some of these apps are. Honestly, I could purge some of these apps and delete some. Now we have music and entertainment. SoundCloud, I don't really use, can't lie. Sometimes I'll go back to like my old playlists on there if I want to like blast from the past and listen to some of that music. Spotify, come on. I'm obsessed with Spotify. I'll link it down below. I always make playlist videos. GarageBand, don't use it. Netflix, Disney Plus. I don't really watch shows on my phone. I'll do it on my computer. So these are a little bit useless, but now and then I will go on to these apps. iMovie, Anchor, and podcasts I use for my podcast. Lifestyle. Wow, you can really see I don't use these apps because they're all on iCloud. Okay, Duolingo. Everybody had their Duolingo phase. I was trying to perfect my French, I guess. Didn't do it. Starbucks app, Amazon, PayPal, Wallet, Arrive Canada for when you travel. Questrade, never even used that. I tried to get into like investing. I don't know, I sound kind of fucking stupid, but my brain never reached that point where I was like really curious on to learn about that, but it's there just in case. I don't know what this is. Stripe? Actually, I truly don't know what that is. Google Calendar and Fitness. Oh my god, I forgot I had Google Calendar app on here. I always use it on my computer. Okay, games. Obviously haven't used any of my games. Subway Surfer. Bitmoji doesn't count. This game is so funny. It's called Airplane, and I think it was like literally made in 2005 and they haven't updated it. Property Brothers. It's a pretty fun game I haven't played in a while. Hoops, that's just really when I'm kind of bored. And Among Us. I could delete that because I don't think I'll ever touch that game again. Now extras, obviously things that I don't really use too often. Wow, I can totally delete this. I downloaded this app so long ago. It was called Video Rotate, and that's back when the iOS update didn't allow you to rotate videos. That's crazy. All right, then I like to have the weather again. Clearly I find the weather to be very important when I'm going about my day-to-day because I have it on my lock screen and on this. Ooh, I just realized you could see exactly where I live that whole entire time. So that's gonna be really annoying because I'm gonna have to blur that out for this whole entire video. Nice. Good shit, Alex. Poshmark, that's self-explanatory. Like you just buy secondhand stuff from there. I don't have these in folders, not for a particular reason, but I think I could probably put Poshmark in one of these folders because I don't use it that much, but these other two apps, My Mazda and LA, I use all the time because my car app just allows me to turn my car on from inside. And then this is like my gym membership that I have to pull up every time I walk into the gym. So I like to have it like easily accessible. My last page, I like to just keep like this. I don't know why. Every so often I'll change the quote to something that is important to me at the time. Currently, this is a quote. There's nothing in this universe that has the power to harm you more than your own unconscious negative thoughts and beliefs. Don't attach, observe. Stay in your power, bitch. I feel like it's a good place to put quotes. Like I'm literally on my phone every second, so. But that's everything on my phone. We kind of went through that pretty quickly. Personally, the reason that I did upgrade my phone was I had the iPhone 11 Pro prior to this. My main concerns with it were obviously memory and also camera. I create a lot of content using my phone. The amazing thing about this is the camera quality. Like, check it out. The camera quality is insane. I think you guys just know that because these phones are just getting better and better. My favorite thing about the update though is I can also just like change my lock screen, and this one's a picture of my cat. Actually, look how cute that is for real. Once again, if you want to check out Casetify, links are down below. Thank you guys for watching this and for checking out what was on my iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah, I hope you have a great day. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.